she's an immoral person. You wait naman sa, may tatlong record out. Labay ko, ipasok ko muna.
So you have the goods on her?
Yes, I have. I have already have. Pero, feeling me softly.
Sir, she was asking
stop shaming.
give her a time to hear her side.
She can have all the time in the world. Gusto ninyo malaman ko totoo yan din ha. Pumunta kayo sa Justice Department. Pumunta kayo sa Human Rights. At i-validate ninyo. Tapos kung sabihin ninyo na sisilong na babalikan ninyo.
Sir,
And
napayak
what
ka
happens now to the sinasabi mong driver sa last?
Well,
Bakit hindi pa raw kasuhan?
Huwag ka lang magdandahan. Baka maging witness ito against. Bakit ko kakasukan? Marami ako gagamitin. Gagamitin ako ng puliso, gagamitin ko ng lover niya na driver niya. At alam, siya lang ang hindi nakaalam. Alam ng buong bansang Pilipino. Tell her, ma'am, ikaw lang atang inosente eh. Pumunta kayo dun sa Human Rights Commission. If you are really an enterprising reporter and you go to the Justice Department, that you will tell you. And one day, itong mga taga-Bilibid will tell us.
Sir, witness po against, witness for what?
Secret.
Sir, maraming
Sir, yung sabi, stand daw, spare the family daw po. Sabi niya.
Ano family, what is she?
May audio ba
She
yan?
created the scandal. She knows that she is a public official. Skandalo na yan sa Human Rights. Skandalo na yan dyan sa Justice Department. Ano? Spare the family. Pagka nasa public office ka, Dilima, your life is an open book.
She got emotional, sir.
Ha?
pinaiyak
Kasi
mo raw,
totoo.
sir,
Kasi totoo na huli siya. Imagine being exposed to the public taking in your driver as your paramount.
So ikaw mismo, you think you did not go overboard?
I did not, but she did. Sige siya, pinagbibintangan niya yung mga pulis na gano'n, namamatay na nga yung pulis. Oh.
Sir, she's allegedly